Once more, the same twittering, chirping, singing of birds is being heard. As usual, some birds are taking their flights from the branches of trees. Some birds are yet perched on the branches of trees. It's a different thing that they don't appear on the branches of trees because the trees are densely located or growing. The sun has just risen, peeping out behind the trees. The sunlight is yet very tender. We can directly see or look at the sun because the sun has not become hot yet, but in the afternoon it's quite impossible to look at the sun because it becomes very hot. The same incessant musical sounds produced by the birds. Bird enthusiasts and bird watchers can feel very happy listening the sounds of birds. Very sweet, innocent sounds of birds. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share it amongst your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.